Hello everyone, welcome back to your English classes once again. And as we know that we were doing writing skill, and in writing skill, the things that we have completed is short composition and letter writing. And if you're watching my videos, you can see that in letter writing, the two letter has completed, that is business letter and official letter, as well letter to the editor. And if you have gone through the previous videos of mine, you can see there we were talking about job application. In fact, I presented with the example also ki how will you write a job application and what's its important is. So if you have not watched all the short composition and letter writing videos, so it's my suggestion to you all, so please go through that videos and clear your concept towards the writing skill. So as we know that job application is continue, we are continue with job application, and one of the students were asking me that the concept or the application is too long. Of course, it can be, because you are mentioning yourself, you are presenting your ability, you are trying to define your experience also. So everything includes in a covering letter. And also I talked about why covering letter is so important. And today we are continue with the next example. I always provide you one or two examples so that you can concept towards that particular writing could be clear. So hope keep watching and keep learning, and keep protecting yourself in fact, and learn it. So this is a time we are talking about job application with the different examples. To today about the subject. The first we starts from the subject. What is the subject? Application for the role of sales manager. ये एप्लीकेशन है सेल्स मैनेजर के लिए at XYZ Limited. Okay, you don't have to say at XYZ, you just have to properly the name of that institutions, the name of that company, private company in fact, and write it down. And after writing or making your subject matter so affectionate, then we are continuing with dear Mr. Miss या Mrs. to whom you are writing this application. If you know that Mr. Rajiv is there, Rajat is there, Sneha is there, is she Mrs. or Miss? So whatever is there, salutations, if you are adding, so according to that it will be. And one more important things, the name will be added. Suppose there is a Mr. Rajiv Khanna. So here you can see that I have given a bracket recipient's name. So here you will write that name of that person with salutation. And afterwards your words starting from this is with reference to your. This is with the reference to your job requirement on portal name. So here you are talking about this is with reference to your job requirement, the requirements which you have given on portal, on website. Okay, so this is what कि जो different portals में आपके जो requirements आते हैं, mainly people follow that and email that also. And in fact I'll talk about email also कि how will you email that later to a person. So here is what requirement on portal name you will add for the role of sales. For the role of sales manager, here it is sales manager. I truly believe that my qualification and experience. Okay, so it is talking about, he is talking about his experience and qualification make me a perfect candidate for the job. So this person, कोई भी इंसान रहे तो he will be very much confidential about, he will be very confident about their job and qualifications if you're very sure about it. So here this candidate is also talking about कि his qualification and his experience can be a perfect for this job. Everybody wants to present themselves a suitable candidate in fact. Okay, हर कोई चाहेगा इंटरव्यू में जो भी जाए तो वो यही सोचेगा कि मैं अपना बेस्ट दूं ताकि मैं उसके हिसाब से, उसके रिक्वायरमेंट के हिसाब से अपने आप को फिट कर सकूं उस पोजीशन में. सो हियर ऑल्सो द कैंडिडेट इज टॉकिंग अबाउट हिमसेल्फ कि माई क्वालिफिकेशन एंड माई एक्सपीरियंस विल बी अ परफेक्ट candidate for this job. And now changing the paragraph. Introduce yourself. After changing the paragraph, I completed my MBA in sales. अगेन अब ये बातें हो रही है कि उसने जो अपने क्वालिफिकेशन को कंप्लीट किया उससे रिलेटेड क्या, सेल्स मार्केटिंग फ्रॉम इंस्टीट्यूट नेम. अगेन मैंने इसको ब्रैकेट में किया है, यू कैन सी. इंस्टीट्यूट नेम मीन्स यू हैव टू मेंशन फ्रॉम वेयर यू डिड योर MBA. Okay, so I completed my MBA in sales marketing from institute name आपको यहाँ पे लिखना है. Then I have worked as an area sales manager and assistant marketing. Okay, assistant marketing manager at, you will mention the company name, because in the earlier paragraph you are telling about the experience. अगर आपने एक्सपीरियंस को मेंशन किया है, देन इन द नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ यू आर टेलिंग कि आपने क्या काम किया है एंड फ्रॉम विच कंपनी यू डिड इट. सो यू विल हैव टू मेंशन द नेम ऑफ द कंपनी. ओके, ड्यूरिंग माई स्टेंट, और जिस समय में वो काम कर रहा था उस एरिया में, एज एरिया सेल्स मैनेजर. ओके, एज एरिया सेल्स मैनेजर आई conceptualized and executed a customer engagement program that resulted in higher sales. Okay, he's talking about his ability also, ki what happened at that time. As assistant marketing manager, and I worked on the planning and executions. Again he's telling about his planning and execution of a new product launch. Whatever the product was launched, on that also he worked, and with 4 years of experience. Now mentioning about the experience, definitely if you have your experience certificate you will add also. When you will write your resume and you will mention your qualification, your work experience, everything. So whatever the activities you had or wherever you worked, so try to get the experience later from that place so that you can show it from to the another place. Okay, so don't miss it. So again this letter is talking about and marketing. I have an in-depth understanding of the process. I am confident that confident that I will be the right fit for the job. Okay, in this paragraph he tried to present himself as a suitable candidate, as well talking about his work experience. And now changing the paragraph, you can change the paragraph 3 or 4 times. Okay, तो यहाँ पे आप इसको चेंज करके अपने बारे में पूरा बता सकते हैं, एंड यू कैन चेंज इट एंड यू कैन मेक इट शॉर्ट ऑल्सो, देयर इज नो नीड. नाउ आई हैव attached my CV to the email for your reference. Now he emailed his CV, he attached his CV to the email, and please have a look at it. Again he's talking about I hope to meet you and discuss this opportunity further. Now he is hoping to have a meet and you for considering my application for the job, and also talking about to consider his application for the job. अगर ये कवरिंग लेटर में सारा चीज़ उन्होंने ऐड कर दिया है और ये अपील भी की जा रही है कि इन सारी चीज़ों को देखते हुए कंसिडर किया जाए एंड टू गिव अ कॉल टू हैव अ मीट, ताकि वो मिलकर उनसे सारी चीज़ों को क्लियर कर सके. विथ बेस्ट रिगार्ड्स कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री, योर नेम विल बी देयर, मोबाइल नंबर और ईमेल एड्रेस. ओके, नाउ यू कैन सी योर कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर एंड योर email address so that that particular person could email you or may contact you if he likes your applications, he likes your experience or your your qualification also. If everything suits accordingly, so he will try कि वो आपसे उससे कनेक्ट करके आपको उसके लिए प्रपोज कर सके. Clear? So this is the example of job application. And again, as I was talking about ki if someone email you, so how will you reply? From, you will write the email address to, means again here sender and receiver, as whenever we write the sender address is there, afterwards is receiver, and then here if you are mailing someone, so there will be from Isha Gupta @gmail.com to किसको भेज रहे हैं आप? here executive @appcornization.com. okay, now date, at what date you are sending it? 23rd April 2018-19, एंड सब्जेक्ट मैटर इज ईशा गुप्ता, जिसको आप भेज रहे हैं एप्लीकेशन फॉर एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव असिस्टेंट पोजीशन. Whatever post is there, whatever position is there, for what you are writing, you have to mention within a line, 2 line. And dear Mr. XYZ, Mr. Rajiv Ranjan, whatever is there, the introduction starts from, I am extremely interested in submitting an application for the advertised, okay, advertised administrative assistant position with ABC organization. He introduced itself, he is talking about the experience, he is talking about his works and category, he is talking about his positions and suitable candidate. Again at the last point, the conclusion is there. In conclusion, I would appreciate the opportunity to meet with you and to discuss my application at an interview. I have attached a copy of my resume for your considerations. Okay, and I can be contacted at all times on the details provided above. What the detail provided above. And last you will close it, and maybe can be say ki complimentary, thanking you in advance for your time, Isha Gupta. At last you are ending, and this is the end of this applications. Okay, hope the concept is clear, that what from where to start, how will you end it, what are the things you can add it. It's definitely it's a long one, because you will score 8 to 10 marks, so definitely it matters a lot. So within that marks आप इसको ज़्यादा effective और suitable बनाएं by the questions, so that the examiner can answer you or can marks you with a good score. So keep watching, keep learning, wait till the last updates. If you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe it, so that when I'll go for the next one, that's maybe article speech, you can see the syllabus. If it is with you, in my first video I discussed about the syllabus also. If you don't know what is the syllabus, so go through that video also, and look at that video, that what the next will be, and we will go through. So keep watching till then. Thank you and take care.